everyone, my name is Khang, and 9 years old. I'm in program 1 in private school. I live in Chiba City. Today, I'm very happy to talk about videos Blackout. Hey, look out the window. Snow was going down all over the city. The lights were out as far as he could see. Why are the lights off? Asked a louder Ben. The storm may power go out, said Mom. Dad lit candles. He put them all around the important. Eddie hugged Ben. Just think, we can retain with it at the time we pull power, he said. Apparently, played board games until the candles melt. The power was still out, and the next day, how was school? Asked Ben. School's closed, that's a time smile. Eddie grabbed Ben's hand. Just think, we can spend the day doing whatever we like, she said. Mary told spooky stories in front of the fire. Papa was still into the next day. In cold, Ben said with a frown. Hey, look unhappy. Harry bought the Easter coat and blanket. Just think, we can wear our favorite coats all at the same time, she said. The families wear as much clothing as possible. Suddenly the lights turned on. The Bible was back. Everyone cheered. Just think, now everything can finally go back normal, Eddie said. Thank you for listening. Next, Eloise. Thank you for listening. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you very, 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 very soon. Take care. Bye for now.